Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Dakota and today we are going to be using watercolor to paint in outline florals. The materials that I used are the Canson watercolor cold press notepad that is 140 pounds, a size 6 round Princeton Heritage brush that I'm using right now to splash on some clean water, not all over the flowers, just in little areas. I used my Shuttle Art microtip pen before to make the outlines of the florals. They are waterproof pens. And for the watercolor, I'm using the Mungyo watercolor set. It'll be a mix of pinks, purples, green, and yellow. You can use any colors you want. I have 2 cups of water, a towel, and my Sizzix heat tool. So I'm using some of the pink watercolor paint to splash on and now kind of blend out. I don't want to cover the whole flower. I want bits of the white to stand out. This is just very, very loose. So again, I splashed on some green for the stem area and blended out a bit of it. So you've got a blended area and then you've also got the splatter area. We'll splash on some more clear water, clean water to the second set of florals, mixing up some purple. And again, I will just splash or splatter the paint around. Some will hit the water, some will just hit the paper. That is fine. It gives a different effect. We'll just blend in some of the splatter. Again, it's extremely loose. We're going to do the stems, and we're blending it so that it's not just the stems, it's also the background as well. Now I'm using the Sizzix heat tool to dry up the paint. This makes it a lot easier if you don't have too long of a time to wait for the paint to naturally dry. So now I'm getting just a darker tone and adding it to the center and then drying off my brush and just blending it in a bit. I'm just spreading it. I didn't like the full white of the paper, so I just wanted a little tinge of pink. Again, it's not going to be on every single petal. You can leave some white, you can color the whole area, and it's completely up to you. I'm just doing each petal, adding some different shadows, depth to it, and making sure that before blending it, I'm drying off my brush, take off any excess paint, or else you'll just keep it all dark. So we'll finish off doing the pink florals, including the adding more yellow to the center and making these stems stand out a bit with adding more green. Then we will go on to the purple florals and do the same technique. So we're just finishing this up here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.